Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can send an email from your Gmail. For this, open Google Chrome. Now search your Gmail. Now click here. Now log in your profile. On the left side you can see here Compose. Click on it. Now you can see you can send new message here. Here you can enter the email you want to send the message. Now enter the subject you want to. In this box, you can write whatever you want to send. You can also change the format of this text. Click here. You can select the size here. You can make the text bold. You can make it italic or underline. You can also change the color of the text. You can align the text here or make it a number list. There are many more things here you can do. You can attach your files, links, emojis, or even a drive link. Now click on send. On the left side below here you can see the message has sent. You can also view the message you sent. You can see here. That's how you send your email to anyone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.